two titans of support, Freshdesk and Jira Service Management, battle it out in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, Freshdesk, the platform known for delightful omni-channel customer support. On the right, Jira Service Management, the ITSM and DevOps powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the mind map of all the juicy categories we're comparing: price, features and ITSM depth, ease of use and onboarding, multi-channel and language support, integrations and extensibility, scalability and performance, and, last but definitely not least, customer support experience. Okay, let's talk money. Freshdesk throws in a free plan with unlimited agents. Pretty generous, but yeah, it's kind of feature limited. Their paid plans are super clear, but if you want to unlock all the cool stuff, especially on their estate plan, it'll run you about $49 per agent per month. Now, Jira Service Management slides in with a much lower price for their most stacked plan, only $20 per agent monthly. That's basically a steal if you need the full ITSM suite. The catch? You sometimes need to buy a minimum number of agents. Still, for pure bang for your buck, especially IT teams, Jira takes the edge here. Next, features and ITSM depth. Freshdesk is all about omni-channel magic. You get email, chat, phone, social, WhatsApp, the works. Toss in some AI-powered ticket automation and a knowledge base in multiple languages, which is honestly super helpful. But, and this is important, it's not really a full-blown ITIL ITSM solution, especially for heavy tech ops. It can feel kinda rigid if your workflows or technical requirements are on the complex side. Jira Service Management, though, this thing is built for IT nerds in the best way. We're talking ITIL certified modules for incidents, problems, changes, even asset management. It's insanely customizable, integrates deeply with DevOps tools and Jira software, and the automation options can get pretty wild. You've got to wrestle with a trickier setup if you're not super technical, but if you want real ITSM muscle, Jira totally owns here. All right, now let's get real about ease of use and getting started. Freshdesk? So breezy. The setup is quick, the interface is friendly. You might honestly feel like you need zero training to get rolling. Only thing is, once you start poking at advanced features, you might get a bit overwhelmed, especially if you start scaling up. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, it's got an ocean of templates and documents to help you out, don't get me wrong. But advanced configurations, the learning curve is real, folks. You'll probably find yourself spending extra time getting your workflows tweaked just right. So, for pure simplicity and onboarding, Freshdesk just feels better. Quick fact break. Did you know Freshdesk actually started life as a pure customer support platform? Meanwhile, Jira Service Management grew out of a developer help desk before leveling up into a full-blown ITSM and DevOps powerhouse. Talk about different journeys, huh? Moving on to multi-channel and language superpowers. With Freshdesk, you're getting support for 42 languages straight out of the box. Like, that's wild. Plus, it pulls together messages from all your different channels and plunks them in one spot. Super convenient. The only sort of bummer, social channel support is mostly saved for higher tier plans. Now, Jira Service Management, yep, it covers multiple languages as well, and it's pretty smart about time zone SLAs. But if you want to publish loads of multilingual help content, Freshdesk is just easier. So on this front, Freshdesk definitely shines brighter. Let's talk integrations, because honestly, that's where a tool can really unlock its full potential. With Freshdesk, it fits in with most standard SaaS favorites, from CRMs to comms. But if you start searching for niche or technical extensions, the marketplace isn't quite as stacked as Atlassian's. Now, oh man, Jira Service Management has a massive Atlassian marketplace with over 3,000 apps. Plus, if you're living that DevOps life, Slack, GitHub, Confluence, you name it, it'll hook in and go deep. You might need some technical chops to set up custom integrations, but if you want real extensibility, Jira is king. On to scalability and performance. Freshdesk does a great job onboarding teams fast. No sweat. Super handy if you're growing and just want to get moving. But if you're an enterprise with hardcore IT needs, you might bump into some limitations. Now, Jira Service Management literally has a data center edition built for the big leagues. It can juggle huge, distributed teams and offers rock-solid reliability. If your crew is pretty technical, Jira's performance at scale is tough to match. So Jira's got this round. And finally, customer support experience. Freshdesk was made for customer support teams, plain and simple. It's got a slick, conversational interface that agents genuinely enjoy, and it's all about customer happiness. But if you flip that around, it's not as suited for hardcore ITSM or internal DevOps support. Jira Service Management vibes more for internal teams and IT. It honestly feels more technical, less designed for customer-facing magic, more for precision IT. So if you care about customer-centric support, Freshdesk does it best. Here's a quick radar chart with all those categories laid out, scores side by side. Perfect for spotting each platform's strengths and quirks at a glance. So here's my honest take. Freshdesk is the go-to if you're after speedy, multi-channel support and don't want to get bogged down in technical complexity. Your team just wants to serve customers and keep things simple, Freshdesk's your buddy. But if you're managing internal IT, engineering, or really need beast mode integrations and true ITSM depth, Jira Service Management is the clear winner. Big teams, lots of processes, DevOps workflows, it does that best. Not sure which one fits your needs yet? No worries. Go ahead and try a free trial of both. Nothing beats seeing how it actually feels when you're using it for